Before watching our channel, please subscribe this and press the bell icon to get the notification for our new video. Hello students. Now, next topic is mode. So what is the mode? Mode is the observation that occurs most frequently in the data. Most frequently and repeated many times. So observe this example. Find the mode of following observation. So first step to find the mode is to arranging the given data in ascending order or in descending order. So I arrange here in ascending order. So ascending order, we start from lowest observation. This is the lowest observation, that is the 12. 12, after 12, 15, after 15, 19, and 23, 23, 23. There is a 1, 2, and 3. 26 and 26 two times, 26 and 26 two times. Then 28 and 38. So what you observing here? Which observation is repeated? 23 is repeated 3 times. So what is the mode of this question? Mode is 23. So here 23 occurs most frequently most frequently so 23. So the mode of the given data, so the mode of the given data is 23. That is the answer. Is it clear? Okay. Now next topic is median. So what is the meaning of median? Here median means the middle terms or middle observation. Watch my fingers. This is the middle finger. This is the middle finger. So this is the median of this. But when we arranging in ascending or descending order, then you watch different things. But here I show you median means here two finger in the middle. So that is a median means middle. So what's this? The median of a given data is the middle value of the data after arranging the data in ascending order or in descending order. What's the example? First example 2. Observation. When the observation here odd numbers. Observation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 observation. So 5 observation means 5 is the odd numbers. So for the odd numbers, how we find the median? Without formula, you can directly give the answer. First, you change in ascending order. So the ascending order or descending order, no problem. So check for ascending order. Which is the smallest value? That is the 4. 4 after 4, that is 5. After 5, this is 7. And after 7 is 9. And after 9, that is 10. So what you observing here? 2 observation that side and 2 observation that side. So what is the median? This is the median. I hope, is it clear that? Two observations that side, two observations that side. What is in the middle? Sum is the middle. So what is the median? Sum is the median. And this is the trick to solve the question, direct answer to the trick. But when you want to solve, there is a formula. So later on I explain it. Now, when the observation is when even number, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There is 6. So process is different. The first step is same. First we arrange in ascending order. So this is the smallest observation, that is 3. And after 3, that is 6. And after 6, that is 9. And after 9, that is 10. And after 10, that is 12. And after 12, that is 6. So now be careful here. Here you watching 2 observation that side and 2 observation that side. Here remaining 2 observations, that is 9 and 10. So what is the middle value of 9 and 10? Yes, 9 whole 1 upon 2 or 9.5. But how we find? Find the average value of both number. 9 plus 10 and divided by 2, because these are 2 numbers. So 9 and 10, 19 divided by 2. So you get 2 9s are 18, 1 remaining, and 2 5s are 10. What is the median here? Here the median is 9.5. Is it clear? So how to find the median when observation are in even numbers, and how to find the median when observation are odd numbers by trick. So this is the trick. So now we learn how to find with the help of formula. Okay. Okay. Now method for finding the median. So you just observe the above. So what is the first step to find the median? First step to find the median is arrange the given data in ascending or descending order. So right here, arranging the data, arrange the data in ascending order or descending order, not matter. Then second step, find n, here number of observation, number of observation is equal to, if it is odd, what is it? Odd. Find an observation is equal to add. Find the n. If odd, then formula median is equal to value of n plus 1 upon 2 nth observation. Nth observation means first you find the n. If n means number of observation. If number of observation are odd, then we use this formula. If n is equal to even, then we use the formula median is equal to average of average of, or you can write 1 upon 2 bracket n upon 2 length observation n upon 2 nth observation plus n upon 2 plus 1 nth observation. So these are the 3 steps. So first thing is very important, was the observation and check how many observation are there, and if there is a 5, so 5 is an odd number. If there is a 7, so 7 is an odd number. So when the number of observation comes odd numbers, then we use the formula median is equal to value of n plus 1 upon 2 nth observation. When the observation are in even numbers like 4, 6, 8, so we use the formula median equal to 1 upon 2 big bracket n upon 2 nth observation plus n upon 2 plus 1 nth observation. So now we solve the question related to both formula. Now what's the first example? Find the median of the data. Data is given. So solution. So what is the first step of the solution? The given data arranged in ascending order. Okay. So write the given data arranged in ascending order. So arrange this in ascending order. So which is the lowest observation? You observe here 6. Later on 8, 9, and then 12, 13, and so on. So first is 6, second number 8, third 9, then 12, then 13, then 15, then 18, and then 20, then 21, and last number is 25. So here you are observing, since the data given consists even number 10 observation, here n is equal to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And what is 10? 10 is a even. So which formula we use? We use the formula median is equal to 1 upon 2 bracket n upon 2 and observation plus n upon 2 plus 1 and observation. And be careful here. Is equal to 1 upon 2, the value, and here 10. 10 upon 2 bracket and observation plus n upon 2 plus 1 and observation, and now 2 5s are 10. 1 upon 2. There is a fifth observation. Fifth observation plus 5. 2 5s are 10. 5 plus 1, sixth observation, and bracket close. Okay, I am raising this question. So now you are observing 1 upon 2 bracket. What is the fifth observation? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the fifth observation. So you write 13 plus. What is the sixth observation? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is 15. And add it 1 upon 2. Here the multiplication symbol. And add this. You get 28. That is 28 upon 2 is equal to 2 1 are 2, 2 4 are 8. So what is the median of this question? That is 14. And by tricky, you observe what is the middle value of 13 and 15? That is 14. So this is the method to find the median for the even number observation. Now we find the median for the odd number observation. Now another example, number 3. Find the median of the data 42, 36, 40, 30 and 29. So what is the first step? Yes, first step is to arranging the given data in ascending order. Okay, or you arrange in descending order also, no problem. So here we start the solution. The given data arranged in the given data arranged in ascending order. Okay, so which is the smallest, the lowest value? That is 29. After 29, that is 30. After 30, that is 36. And after 36, that is 40. And after 40, that is 42. Now, and number of observation. So what you observing here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what is 5? 5 is a odd number. Then what is the formula to find the median for the odd observation? Median is equal to value of n plus 1 upon 2 and observation. So here value of 5 plus 1 upon 2 and observation. So here value of 5 or 1, 6, and 6 divided by 2, is equal to and observation now we write the answer above. Check here because my whiteboard is too small. So now check the above is equal to value of 2 3. Yes, that is third observation. Third observation. What is the third observation? 1 2 3. That is the third observation. What is the median? Median is equal to 36. Median is equal to 36. It is clear. Now students, this is the exercise for you 3.2. Find the mode of the numbers. We already arranged in ascending order 2 2 3 3. Here is a one problem you created. Two numbers are mostly occur. 2 and 5 occurs 3 times. So the mode of this data is 2 and 5. And remainings you can solve. So please pause the video and copy the questions and solve the exercise, or download the book up to marks 7 from our website portal and then solve the questions. And students, one important things, that is to subscribe our channel and press the bell to get the notification.